Right, all right, all right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another WB Trading Live Trading session. I'm your host, Mike, aka FX Dinero. Uh, and obviously, excuse me, guys, I'm a little under the weather today. My whole household is going through it a little bit rough. So bear with me if you hear it in my voice. That's what it is. But could not miss a trading session for you guys, right? Um, But yeah, those you don't know, again, I'm Mike, aka FXD Neto, certified $1 million account guys that I'm managing here. So trust when I believe, and believe when I say this is how it's done, right? Um, Also, if you don't know, WB Trading is an educational company, guys, with more than 10 years of experience teaching traders, guiding traders, developing traders, and getting 80% of our traders profitable, right? Um, so definitely check us out if you haven't already. Um, but yeah, and all of that can be verified here on the website. As you can see, I just refreshed the screen. And then as far as getting our traders profitable, that can be verified on our main fund as well, right? Um, so cool. Just jumping into the charts, I actually did take the liberty here, guys, of going ahead and getting this done, marking up the charts for us today, right? This makes it a little bit easier for me. Um, so you guys should already know what I'm looking at. Same thing every day. And I'll just put above here, right, and below here. So I can actually get that alert if I do step away, right? I want to know about these. Right, right, right. Cool, cool. What up, what up, what up, everybody? What up, what up, what up? All right, cool. If you guys got any questions, let me know right away. And I'm not feeling the best, so make this one quick today, guys. Uh, so yeah, obviously this is what we're waiting on, right? Just one of these breaks, so we can check everything out. Um, Break above, break below. Right, we got our time set up here. So and alerts. So we just are waiting for some action, right? Uh, so just how I always do, just jumping right into the trading journal here. All right. And I'm not really sure what direction this is going to go, so I just like to put a small note here. Oh, let me check the news really quick, just to make sure we don't have anything crazy going on. And GBP news just happened right at 2, so I always like to make a note of that, right? Always, always, always. And then we got news again at 4:30. All right, so news right at 2 a.m. EST, then again at 4:30. All right, let's check out those two. Uh, all right, so we had, whoa, never seen that before. Let's put here 2:30. And then on that 4:30, of course, Bailey speaks. All right, cool. So now that we got that out the way, this is the trading journey, as you guys already know. Once we do get a signal on this, if we do rather, this is going to automatically post here on the bot, of course. Um, yeah, that news candle was pretty freaking crazy. Actually, I want to notate that. As you can see, we are in no trades at the moment, right? No trades have been taken. But if we do get some action, this will automatically trigger, right? Uh, So I'm just gonna put the first news candle was huge on GU, right? Things absolutely huge. If you guys got any questions, let me know before we jump off here. And then also, most of you already know this as well, but this will send the daily signal alert, right? So as you can see last night, everything that's important happened and came in right at the Telegram bot as expected, right at 2 a.m., so about 5 minutes ago. Um, yeah, this is for GU. So GU, we got the ATRs at 106. Mine was at 104, so pretty much the same thing, slightly different depending on the broker. So yeah, we're all set there. We got our journal going, ready for a break. We got the confirmation with the WB trading bot, or Telegram alerts signal channel, excuse me. And then we got this as well. Just waiting for some action, right? Cool. So in the meantime, what we'll do is we'll jump into some advanced stuff really quick, just so we can see what's happening in what possibly could set up in New York session. Right? Oh yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. As you guys can see this is what I was waiting on yesterday actually. So cool. I'm actually gonna take this. This is what I was waiting on. I got my two screens up here. Those of you don't know, this is GJ. I'm liking GJ Long on my other setup, my other playbook here. GJ, right? Okay, let's make this happen. All right. Sweet. I'm liking that. I'm liking this a lot, actually. All right. Excuse the sniffling, guys. As I mentioned, I'm a bit under the weather today, but let's jump into it. All right. On the advanced stuff. Again, if you guys got any questions, let me know right away so I can answer them for you before we get off here. All right. So this has just been raining for the most part. We've been going over this quite a bit lately. So nothing here on NAS 100. US 30 and S&P pretty much will look the same, so nothing here either. S&P 500, again, same thing, those three. Gold just continuously running up due to like the fear and everything, guys. Obviously, people are selling stocks and buying gold, right? So that's why this thing is just continuously going up no matter what. Um, Silver, pretty much following closely right behind it, so nothing there. Crude oil, right? This thing's looking falling, but there's no opportunities for us here. We're looking for different type of pattern, which would be some type of M structure off the 200. So we got this cross here, right? Target baseline above the static, back below for the reload. That's what we'd be looking for on this one. That's not happening, so this is a pass, right? Bitcoin, as you see, I have it in this channel. It's just sitting here. No need to even mark this up. This is in the range. Peso is what I look at. Obviously, I'm out here. I like to know the exchange rate, so I don't actually actively trade this, right? Um, all right, getting to the forex pairs. Euro USD. There's nothing here. EJ. This is ugly too. There's nothing here on this one either. ECAD. This is hideous too. More short than long though. EN. There's nothing here really on EN as well. EG. This move was kind of quasi here, right? We had this nice structure. We're waiting for this come back to pull back to 50 and run. Stops have been above here, entries here. TP actually been down here, but as long as this one-on-one made sense, that would have been fine. It's not happening, so this is a pass. EA, same thing. Once you get this 5200 cross here, it's looking for more M structures like this, right? Along with the market baseline going above the static for a reload. Right, that's not happening. It just feels short right here. I'm not interested in that move, not at all. All right, so there's nothing there. GU, that you see got the alerts on GU. GU looks good, more long than short, so I'm happy about that. If it does set up long, this will be a good one. GJ, as we just mentioned, I like this a lot. This now does have the 4-hour confirmation. So this is actually ranked and ready to go, guys. I actually just took this on my other account. So yeah, GJ, excuse me, is in play. GA is nothing because we already have the 5200 cross, so we're looking more for M structures off the 200. Right, looking more something like this. I want to see a second leg there. Market baseline goes above the static, back below for a reload. Right, that's not happening. For me, this is a pass. GC is nothing. If you guys got a pair that you want me to look at, I can point it out to you as well. Let you know what I see on it. Cool. This is nothing. 5200 cross. We're looking for W structures off the 200. GN is kind of in a funky little thing here. There's nothing here, so I'll leave this one alone. GF. This is just super ugly. It's just ranging up and down. This is nothing. UCAD finally broke out of this hole that had us in, right? With this crazy trade war stuff going on, right? Just finally let us out of here. So this finally broke this range, as you can see. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave this one alone, let it do its thing for a bit. UF, only interested in, once this cross, guys, always remember, I'm interested in M's off the 200 with the market baseline going above the static for the reload, right? Always, always, always. That's not happening. This is a pass. UJ, same exact thing. Need a 5200 cross. Have that, looking for structures off the 200. Simultaneously, market baseline going above and back below the static for the reload. Right? That's not happening. This is a pass. Okay, I'm not sure why my chart's not going. I don't know what's up with that. Hey, cat. Oh, okay. I see what's going on here. Okay, A cat is nothing. It's basically the opposite, right? You got the 5200 cross. At this point, I'm looking for W's off the 200. Market baseline going below the static, back above for a reload. That's not happening. This is a pass, right? And U is nothing. Same exact thing. You already got the 5200 cross. Looking for W structures off the 200. Market baseline going below the static, back above for the reload. This is not happening. This is a pass. Excuse me, guys. In CAD, same thing. Got the 5200 cross. At this point, we're looking for W structures off the 200. Stop below. TP is here. Entries are closed above 50. Market baseline needs to go below the static and back above for the reload. Right? That's not happening. This is a pass. And F is just ugly altogether because the 5200 already crossed back here, so this is nothing. AU, this is nothing either. Let me take this off. AF, there's nothing here either. And EF, right? EF, I was looking for some type of confirmation, which it never got. In fact, it just ranged out on me. This is hideous. I'm not interested in this anymore. Since it started ranging, I'm taking it off. Actually, I'm gonna leave this on for the morning. I should let me leave this on. I want to make sure I see this in New York session. Right. So leave that alone. There's nothing there. CAD yen. Same thing. We got 5200 cross at this. I'm sorry. Yeah, 5200 cross here. At this point, looking for M structures off the 200, going short. Market baseline going back above the static for a reload. That's not happening yet. This is a pass. FJ, same exact thing. 5200 cross, looking for M structures off the 200. Market baseline back above and below the static for the reload. This is not happening. This is a pass. CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss is nothing. Nothing at all. Let this go. AN. Oh, AN made a nice W structure here, if you can see it. Right. Made a nice structure off the 200. We already have the reload market baseline going below the static, back above. This was a nice play. If you were up in Asia, this would have been a nice play to take. All right. I don't trade Asia session, so this was a pass for me.